In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Ring floodlight camera. So I'm going to take these two screws out, one on the top here, one on the bottom of this box. I'll just carefully make sure nothing in here is live. Unhook all these. Okay. There we go. I'm going to attach it with some exterior screws. I'm going to take the ground and wrap it around the ground screw. Just want to make sure that's nice and tight. So now I can install this, and I'm going to put these in, the ones that came with the box. This looks like it has a nice seal here that will seal against this box and make that weather tight. I'm going to take a bolt from, I want to just make sure this is level. Oh yeah, that's sucking right in. Nice. This clips on here like that, so you can hang this while you attach the lights. That's really cool. And you can tuck everything in your box. Now I can lift this up and unclip it. And right here you can see there's a little notch that goes at the bottom here. Feed those studs in there like that. And then you put those two little white nuts on here. Now your Ring screwdriver, you actually pull this out and you can go in here and tighten these up a little bit. Get these where they need to be. We're good. So the breaker is back on. Once I flip this switch, you'll see that the Ring should blink, and that'll mean that we're all good. There you go. Cool. Let's set it up. Whoa. I already have the Ring app because I have another camera, and I'm not going to show it because it has my personal information on it, but I want to see how easy it is. So I click Setup Device, connecting to your floodlight cam.
Now connected to the Ring app.
That's it. That's easy. Easy peasy. Okay. Let's see. It's working. If you needed to install a Ring floodlight camera, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.